Hi everyone, welcome back to Angel Trading Friend. As committed and promised last month I had made a strategy for all the beginners. I had shown a very easy and beautiful strategy on the opening range breakout, and I had also promised you that I'll be coming out with other few stocks which you must be considering as part of hedging. So today I'll be showing you the stock which you have to do. This is based on research. I have also been trading myself. You have seen my past trading videos. In that you could have seen this element TCS where I was testing almost from past 1 month. So after all this testing, this month I am showing you this live trading video, live back testing, and also this video, so that you can also use it as part of hedging. So many of you, many beginners, many novice traders always had confusion when to buy, when to sell. They always had a feeling that market is very risky and you can't make money out of trading. You need to know lots of technical knowledge, you need to know lot of analysis, only then you can make money in trading. So trading is risky, trading is very dangerous. So all these questions were there in most of the beginners, and many of you have been asking to come out with a very easy, beautiful strategy, and also a strategy where there is no much of differences, there is no much of slippages, and where you know, anybody working, anybody who are not able to spend too much of time in front of the monitor, anybody can trade. So for solution for all this, friends, as you all know, last month I had uploaded this video. Let me just show it to you, yeah, so that whoever have not seen that part 1 can also just have a look at the video. Okay, so I had made this video, yeah, you can see here, help for beginners in stock market trading, the Tata Steel ORB strategy. So in that particular video I had committed that I will be showing you the hedging, the next stock which you have to take as part of the strategy. So today we are going to do the backtest, and people those who are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell button. This channel's name is Angel Trading Friend, and you'll be getting lots of videos on equities, commodities in Hindi as well as in English. You'll be finding lots of live trading videos also, because it's my pleasure to give you all pleasure to show you all my live trading session, so that you also get confidence, you'll also get booster how to place orders, how working professionals can make money. So with all these themes I made this channel. So don't forget to press the subscribe button, and any point of time you want any help, any support, just WhatsApp me on this number 8095876525. You can take any of the backtested strategies files which I have provided in this video. Okay, so don't feel uncomfortable to just text me. You can ask even the silliest doubt and I'll be happy to help you all. Okay, so let us go to today's not live, okay, we can call it as a live backtesting also, but the concept is, this is the part 2 of the beginner strategy, and this strategy is going to be on TCS. Yeah, I am a fan of Tata also, because you would have seen past part 1 also was on Tata Steel, second is on Tata Communication Services, because there's a lot of momentum. And friends, as you all know, there's a lot of research back into it. If you search the NSE India website, there you can find the stock in the number 1 or number 2 most traded stock. So there are many researchers and all those things done and carefully selected the stock. Okay, so let us go forward. Okay, so before going forward, just to give a quick update of my paid calls which I had given in the month of April. So we had a very good month in equity, and as we can see, in month end we were in good average, we were in profits, and whoever took calls were also able to make good money in equity. Basically nothing but the trades which I take, I just send WhatsApp immediately. You can see the live trading videos, so that even who are new, who wants to take help and make money, can make use of this. So this is a result of crude end of the month gave us 4 continuous stop losses, but overall when you see the month, it was very beautiful. We were in profit. Starting of the month we had all continuous profits, 5 to 6 profits we had continuous, with one single to a stop loss or something in the beginning, but end of the month it was having continuous stop 4 losses. But this is part of trading, as you all know, friends. What you have to see here is, end of the month you have to be in profit. So you can see that number of red columns are less and number of green columns are more, whereby the profit is more end of the month. This is how trading is, all to simplify. Yeah, so anybody who wants to avail this service also, you can just WhatsApp me on my number 8095876525. Okay, let us go towards trading strategy for beginners. The logic is opening range breakout. Okay, friends. So what you have to do is keep alarm at 10:15, because at 9:15 most of them will be traveling to office, won't be able to take the trades. That is the reason why I have kept this 10:15 trade. And in case if you want to look into the terminal all the time, it is your wish. But my logic is keep alarm and then just log into your terminal at 10:15. Only after 10:15 you have to trade the strategy. Now the entry is at this 10:15 you have to check the high and the low of TCS. Once this is done, you just have to go at the breakout. Okay, I'll just show you how it is. And also logic is most of the time, 75% of the time, market is trending and 25% it moves in the range. This is the reason why we have selected this breakout strategy. So we will go to the TCS chart. I have opened equity, and also I'll just backtest from April 1 month full and show you how the beauty is. Yeah. Okay. Basically, what you have to do, show you two lines, and what you do is at 10:15 you have to just draw a line. This is, you can see, 1 hour candle. Draw a line at 10:15 high and at 10:15 low. So once this high and low is over, this is your entry price, and these both are your entry price. Very simple. Okay. So you have to buy at this price, you have to sell at this price. In case if market, so you can see a second candle did not trigger, third candle has triggered, so we buy at this third candle. And if you want, you can keep your percentages of 1% and take the profit. Or otherwise, if you are working professional and you don't have time, you can just leave till end of the day. But on this particular day, it was a loss. Never mind, part of trading. But if you have time, you can always move your stop losses and book profit. This is the concept of ORB strategy. Now friends, as I told you, I'll show you the backtesting, how I have come out of this, this you can see from April we are starting the trade. So I'll just keep a line on the high, and I'll keep a line on the low. Clear? So you can see high has broken, low has not been broken, and you can see high has broken here and has come till here. So let me just measure. Let us just measure. I'll take the measuring tool from this point to this point, end of the day. Okay. So the profit is 18.67 is the profit on particular date. So let me just make a Excel quickly so that I can just note down the points. Okay, so I mentioned is TCS. Yeah, so this will be in the month of April. You can just backtest yourself, friends, and also you can see the results. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so on the first day we got 18 points. So let me just mention it as 18. Okay, so let us go to the second day. In the second day, you can see that low also has not been broken, high also has not been broken, so there is no trade. On the third day, you can see high is not broken, but the low is broken. Okay, I'll just take the measure from this low, end of the day. You can see that we made profit here, almost 17 points profit. But since you all are, if you are working, you just have to take end of the day, and end of the day we had a loss. So you can see minus 7 points loss. Okay, so we'll take it as, I'm showing you at end of the day. Okay, if you're booking profits, you can take 1% daily, and also you can make a profit. Okay. Yeah. So on the third day, you can see again the high has been broken. I'll take the measure and I'll measure till the. See friends, why I'm taking this candle is because at 3:15 the MIs will get closed. That is why I'm taking this 3:15 end of 3:15 candle. So you can see almost 18 points profit. So I'll again mention as 18 points profit. Okay. So hope you are understanding the beauty. How is that we are doing this back testing? Okay. In this particular day, you can see that first the low is broken. Yeah, and again you can see that the high also is broken. So we are having a stop loss. So this is how we take the stop loss. Automatic buy and sell are the stop loss. I'll measure the stop loss. You can see minus 22 points stop loss is there. Okay, so it is minus 23 points stop loss. I'll mention as minus 23. Okay, so let us go forward. Stop loss also is part of trading. Yeah, so again here also you can see high is broken and low is broken. I took stop loss of 25 points. So friends, again 25 points stop loss, but you don't have to worry because this is how trading is. Okay, on this you can see high is not broken, low is not broken, so no trading. Okay friends, so now you see the beauty. You have taken 2 stop losses and you can see here high is broken and we came till here. You can see 45 points profit. So the logic is, friends, what happens is when people start getting this 2 stop losses, they'll start getting worried. They'll start getting doubting their strategy, whether we have to continue or whether we have to quit. But the secret is we have to continue, otherwise we would have not got this big profit of 45 points. And you can always see that the average is in the positive part, that is 26 points, we are in profit already. So this is how day in day out you have to do strategy. And friends, see, just have to wait. You can see again next day the high is broken and you can come till here. Again you can see there is a huge profit of 40 points. So again we are catching 40 points, friends. Hope you can understand. This is how the beauty of trading is. Okay, so like this you can just continue. You can see here high is broken, target is achieved, again it has come down. Those who want to keep targets can book profit. Here you can see again high is broken and almost it has it has come 25 points profit. Okay friends, so this is how the trading has to be done. Day in day out, you just have to carry out the same logic. Even if you're getting big stop losses, don't worry, because you'll be getting more bigger profits. As you can see, average is already 66. If you want, you can do paper trade yourself, but as I told you, this is part of hedging. Hedging means we already have a Tata Steel which we're taking profits, and also in case if you're making loss in Tata Steel, you'll be making profit in Tata Consultancy. Both are a different sector. Tata Steel is a different sector, and again Tata Communication Service is a different sector. So this is why I have selected these 2 stocks carefully. If one is making loss, other has to compensate to us, and if another is both are making profit, well and good. Very rarely it happens that both make losses. So friends, this is the beauty of the strategy which I was telling about. Okay, money management, as I told you, stop loss is equal to buy and sell our stop losses. You don't have to keep again any other stop losses. Okay, hedging with Tata Steel, as I told you, we are going to be hedging with the Tata Steel. So Tata Steel we have to also to take, and also you have to take even Tata Consultancy Services. So both will be part of hedging. So let me just summarize the strategy to you. Keep alarm at 10:15 and log into your trading terminal, and then just place the order based on the strategy. Once the stop loss is done, you don't have to look into the system again and again. Just have to keep the entry and exit and leave. Those who want to keep targets can keep targets also. So friends, those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And also, if you want to take care of, if you want any files or any want to take calls from me, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also in this video description, you will be getting the link of Upstock and Zerodha. You can use the link to join Upstock and Zerodha and also take 50% discount on my paid services. To know additional services provided by ATF family, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and inquire. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. So let us all see on the other month, next month, when I'll be coming out to the 3rd stock, which you have to do hedging. Thank you and have a nice day.